Hi, in this video I'll show how to use YAML viewer to import a YML or YAML file to Notion. You can see I have my Notion open here and I have my YAML file here. So I can double click on the file to open YAML viewer. It's a free app just showing what is inside of YAML file. And also it has a possibility to export it to CSV. So I click to export, save as CSV. Let me show you quickly what is in YAML file. We have information about states, state name, code, region, subregion, and we have all states from Alabama to Wyoming is here. So I want to import this information to Notion. So I will click on export, save as CSV. And it's asking me for name and location. This name and location is okay, just click save. And file has been saved. Now let's go to Notion. Click on import. Select CSV and select YAML viewer. And you can see file has been imported here. We have some extra column, which is okay. In YAML file you have a header and all stuff. We can delete it, I guess. But more important is our information is imported in here, all 50 states from Alabama to Wyoming, with all information here. So yeah, basically that's it. If I will leave a link on YAML viewer and on video how to install it, and it's really quick. It's very quick to install and really easy. And if you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. Thank you.